Moderna, before COVID, could very well have collapsed and disappeared. All that technology could have disappeared simply because there might not have been the venture capital out there that was prepared to keep backing you.
Yes, what most people don't appreciate is we raised $3 billion to get the technology to this point when the pandemic happened. And we were expecting to raise a couple more billions before we're turning a profit.
But you were looking for things such as hard tumours, how to break those down, things for heart disease, different things. You weren't necessarily looking at that time for flu-type symptoms, were you?
So we were working for infectious disease, so we had already a big portfolio of infectious disease vaccines. But to your point, we've always thought that this information molecule, the mRNA, could be a very, very powerful medicine that we inject in your body so you make your own drug. And as you described, we have exciting programs in cancer, in skin cancer. We're going to have data by the end of this year. We just presented 2 weeks ago at our annual R&D Day data in rare genetic disease where kids are unlucky. They get wrong DNA from mom and dad, and they cannot make a protein that you and I have. So what we do, we design in the mRNA, instead of spike, to tell your protein to make spike, like in the vaccine case, we put the instruction that you and I have in our DNA. And we give it IV to those kids to go into their liver. And when the mRNA delivers the instruction in their liver, they make the protein that they are missing. And the early clinical data in terms of reduction of hospitalization is quite compelling. And so I think rare disease is also something we can do. As you say, cardiology, we have now in a clinic a super exciting program when we inject mRNA in people's heart after heart attack to grow back new blood vessels to help revascularize the heart. So it's a bit like science fiction medicine, but that's what is really exciting to me.
But the other side of this is that right now, Moderna, though it has this pipeline, has one commercial product, and that's the Spikevax. That's the actual COVID vaccination. So that's the irony of COVID, is it really has in some ways allowed you to go and develop these other areas because of the revenues that came through the door.
You're 100% right.